Right, good afternoon. It's the old fart on a motorbike, and I'm just about to try and do the no throttle challenge on a divvy. Not a divvy, you pillock, on a pan-European. So let's see how we get on there. So, here we go. Into first, and off we go, hopefully. Right, first, second, I'm reaching almost 15 miles an hour. I'm holding on, not holding on to the throttle, I'm just holding on to the end bit. Third, 15, fourth, come on you bugger, it is going slightly uphill, you notice. Fourth, it's chugging. 15. It's coming up to 20, coming up to 20, come on you bugger. It's going uphill, you know. So we're just coming up to 18, 18's your lot. So that's the no throttle challenge on the pan-European, 18 miles an hour. Not bad that.